Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number WTBB1279 4.5x6 US26 or 651 wide throw hinge. So this is a, let's dissect the part number. WT, first of all, means that it's a wide throw hinge, and this hinge is 4.5x6. On a hinge like this, the height is called out first. So it's 4.5 tall, and then it's 6-inch wide. And a wide throw hinge like this is going to be used when you have a condition by which you have thicker than standard casing or some sort of treatment to the pull side of the door, or you need to have additional room for the door to get out and around what you've installed there. Or you might have a door condition when it's hung in the frame and it's further inset into the frame rather than the typical, 3/32 sort of inset into the frame. If you're thinking about wide throw hinges, you might need to think about extended lip strikes as well. Just a word to the wise. The BB stands for ball bearing. You got 2 bearing packets on a standard weight hinge like this. And the 1279 is Hager's part number for a full mortise standard weight hinge. You can see from the swag on the hinge leaf there that it's a full mortised hinge. When the leaves are brought parallel, you can see that it's intended to be mortised edge to the door and frame. Okay. Standard weight means that the hinge leaf is 134 thousandths thick, and that is typical for a standard weight hinge versus a heavy weight that would be much thicker. Or a residential weight would be much thinner. There is a link below this video to the template. It shows everything important dimensionally about this hinge and its sister products and other sizes as well. You can see from the catalog number columns there, you've got steel hinges and non-ferrous hinges, which can be stainless or brass bronze. This is indeed a steel hinge, and the US26 doesn't infer that specifically. But if you called it 651, then it means polished chrome, which US26 means. But 651 means that it's on steel. So you know that it's a steel-based hinge. Available in several different finishes. But back to the template, you can see where these screw holes are located, and that's considered a template pattern, but you can verify that this is what you want based on the link to the template. Lots of options that you can get from Hager in terms of base materials, knuckle design. The 1279 is also meaning 5-knuckle hinge. You can get 3-knuckle hinges, 2-knuckle hinges, etc. You can get decorative tips, ball tip, urn tip, steeple tip, and this is called a button tip. You can get different variations on security pin. If this was an exterior door that swung out, you'd probably want to prevent someone from driving the pin out of the hinge, and you can do that with a NRP, non-removable pin, or you could do it also with a security stud and other options that Hager can offer to do it. Okay. Nice quality hinge from Hager, and really it's their namesake, Hager Hinge. They are a comprehensive manufacturer of all things hinge related, not only wide throw hinges like this that you'll see fairly common, but the regular stuff, and then they get all the way to a lot of fancy things like anchor pivots as well, full line of residential hinges. Screws are included in a complimentary finish. You're going to get half wood screws and all metal screws for that, which is very typical. If you have any questions on the Hager WTBB1279 4.5x6 US26 wide throw hinge or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.